Today, we're making cute stickers.
Some assembly required.
Lily, you deserve a gold star.
How did you make that?
It is back to school season. Almost. And whether or not you are actually going back to school, it still makes me think of school supplies. And school supplies make me think of pencil boxes, and pencil boxes make me think of decorating pencil boxes, which makes me think of stickers.
That's a long thought process.
That's the way my brain works.
So, stickers. Also, I guess stickers you can get at the top of your paper if you did a great job, or if you finished a page in your workbook, or maybe you just like stickers. We are going to make some very cute stickers. We will be inspired by our How to Draw Cute Stuff book. So this book is called How to Draw Cute Stuff. Draw anything and everything, and they're not even kidding, in the cutest style ever, and it's by Angela Nguyen.
And it actually is like really cute.
Cute.
Really cute.
I will sum it up for you. Make things a little rounder and a little chubbier and give it a cute face. That is the book in a nutshell. But it's really cute, and it really does show you how to draw like anything. It shows you how to draw a cute
table with socks.
Tables and chairs. This book can make tables and chairs cute. It can make anything cute. Here's what you'll need. You don't need the book, you just need your imagination. You will need some paper. We're going to have a pencil box as our inspiration for something to cover in stickers.
We could even use the stuff inside to color it in.
Oh, that's clever. That is clever. You could use your school supplies to decorate the stickers with which you will decorate your school supplies. Also, we will be using pencils.
And
a big old eraser. Sharpie pens for outline. Colored pencils for coloring in. And also, this is a very, very old sticker maker. It's the Xyron Model 150. I don't know if they make this one anymore, but I do believe that they still make something. Maybe 20 years old.
But still works.
Still works. We used it the other day. So that is all you need. If you don't have a sticker maker, I have seen people use packing tape. Just stick whatever your cute thing is right on it with packing tape. Protects the whole surface. You could totally do it that way. But the sticker maker is cool. First, what we're going to do is draw the designs for our stickers. Now, we do need to keep in mind 2 inches. Totally guessing. It has to be at least skinny enough to go through the little... We'll take this out in a little bit and show you how it works. So it can only be so wide. However, my challenge is to see if I can cover the ninja. I mean, the ninja is cool, but we might be ready for a different sort of look. My plan is to make a thing, color it in and everything, cut it in half, stick it through the sticker thing, and try to match it up. It will be a challenge, but it will be worth it if it works, and if not, goo gone. So, first, we draw.
Mm-hmm.
So once you have finished drawing and outlining with your Sharpie, that is when you can go through with your eraser and erase all of your pencil lines. I have a lot of pencil lines. Yeah, like you can draw nice and light and sketchy, and then you can erase everything that you don't need at the end. You probably know that already. So that's what I will do. I'm going to erase all of my pencil lines and then start coloring with the colored pencils. Now we can cut it out. And then cut out everybody else. All right, everybody is cut out. So this is the guy that I made.
He's so
the pencil
cute.
cup. Unfortunately, I am bad at size. So that's just gonna be our new buddy. And I made this tiny little tree with a cotton candy swinging in it. And I measured better. So, this is all you do. Who wants to be our guinea pig?
Planter guy.
Planter guy will be our guinea pig. So, you put him into the little hole. And there's a cartridge in there. One side is
Clear
basically
plastic.
just clear plastic. The other side is sticky paper, and then the sticky attaches to the sticker when you pull it out the other side. There. So see? He comes out on the little backing. He's covered in plastic, and there's paper behind. And then all you do is ta-da! Like a piece of tape. Rub it to make sure that all the stick sticks on the back of the sticker.
Especially if you have anywhere like here,
Any
that are,
like
like,
bumps and curves and
like
sticky
really
outy
sharp-
bits.
like bumps. Okay, now I'll show you.
Pull you in a smidgy.
So, you peel the plastic off, and it's sticky, and then you have your little sticker guy.
Yeah. If you don't want to use it right now, you can store it on the paper, like a sticker.
So, I'll put him here. And
So we are going to make some stickers of the little guys, and then I'll show you however this works. I slice it in half, shove it through. All right.
can I
and
stick
then-
the tiny guys on?
Yeah, stick the tiny guys on. I figure that they should stick in these little holes. I measured them so that they should fit. Awesome. See?
Pencil guy and paper guy.
That's cool. They fit. So when you are rubbing these, basically what that does is just make sure that all of the stick is really stuck onto the back of the sticker. Make sure you get anything skinny or any edges, like rub on all the edges and any kind of skinny stuff like antlers. Yeah, I feel like they work best the more you rub. I mean, we haven't really made any that didn't really stick, so far so good, but just in case, because we don't want to have to do it again. It's a drag. Also, this little sticker machine, it's got little replaceable sticky stuff. I believe it comes in 2 different varieties.
There's
so you can get like permanent,
and-
so like a regular sticker, or repositionable. So if you want, I don't know where you would use repositionable, but if that is something that you're looking for, they do have it. Or at least they did 20 years ago. They still do. I looked it up on Amazon. Here's another idea that we had. You could design your own little scene.
For the flamingos.
Yeah, here's a lovely little pond that Lily designed for the flamingos. And then we stickerified Lily's flamingo, and I made a tiny little baby flamingo.
Okay, do you want to put him like here?
Yeah, he shouldn't go too close to the water. He doesn't know how to swim yet. So this is our experiment to see if a 2-part sticker works, because Lily has her flamingo body in one sticker and the flamingo legs in another.
I mean, if you put them close enough.
Success! So then our real experiment begins. So this guy, as you may remember, is supposed to go on the pencil cup and cover up the ninja. Time to cut.
Are you just gonna like cut him in half?
Yeah, I am.
You're not gonna make it easier for yourself to match it up?
Nah.
Okay. It looks like it was never cut in half.
Ha ha!
It's perfect!
So,
Ninja's still there.
well, Ninja is sort of looking at everybody from behind the tree. That's okay. Look, it fits. It covers. It works. Now we're going to decorate the rest of the bin.
So, there's this side with the planter and the cotton candy. And then there's the tree. And then there's the other tree. And then there's an egg floating in the sky.
A little egg in the sky. That's cool. That worked. Okay, so what have we discovered? You can put them on paper if you want to decorate it. You could make a scene and then add stickers to it. You could sticker them out and give them to your friends.
You can cut a sticker in half if it's too big.
Yep.
And I learned that Mom can draw really, really cute dragons.
Oh, thanks.
Who knew?
We'll find somewhere special for you to build dragons.
Now, of course, the only problem with the stickers is that, I mean, they are just paper with colored pencil on them. If you want them to be more permanent color-wise, you don't want to rub anything, you could varnish them or seal them before you make them a sticker.
Ooh, you could like print out something and make it a sticker.
You could print out something from the computer. You could use markers or permanent markers even to make it more permanent. Yep, there are a lot of different ways that you can use this, and it's really fun. So if you liked this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you have time, you should totally try to make stickers. If you don't have the sticker maker, you could use packing tape and just sort of like stick them on, which would serve the added bonus of protecting it also.
For the duct tape, you just take like a piece and then you stick it on the front and you leave a little extra on the edges so that it can stick.
As long as there's a little extra on the outside, that will stick to your surface, and then there you go. If you are not subscribed yet and you enjoy seeing crafty videos like this, subscribe down below and click the bell so you don't miss any videos that come out. They come out on Tuesday.
And Saturday.
Now my cupcake's got a little star in her hair. So until the next video, we will be creating more exciting things and thinking of even more awesome things that we can make in videos for you guys.
Also, we might be looking at cute dragons.
Probably will be looking at cute dragons for at least part of the time between now and the next video. So we'll be doing that, and we will see you then. Bye!